for next year.
Here's where the real egg hunt begins. Get your basket, Corey.
Where's the basket?
Get your basket. Uh-oh.
Basket. There's your basket over there.
Show Aunt Raylene your fish. Where's your fish? Yeah, there they are. Say thank you.
We get your basket, please?
Can you say thank you to Aunt Raylene and Uncle Ronnie for the fish shirt? Yeah, that's nice. Here we go. Let's take our basket. Oh.
Where's the dog go?
I don't know why the dog goes in there.
Ready? Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna go find some eggs.
Nice out. Hey, Robbie. Eggs.
You see an egg?
See one? Put him in the basket.
I see an egg.
See any eggs? Pick them up. You found one. Good job. Put it in your basket. Shake it. There's something in that one. Good job. Do you see any more? Yay!
Is there any more?
Good job. Get some more. Help her out. This is a little bit better competition today. Or lack of.
Yay!
Yeah, yay!
Spectator.
That's right. the fan club.
There it is.
Good job, an orange one. Good job, shake it. Put it in the basket. Get some more.
Is there any more? Look over here, Corey. Corey, look over here.
Good job, purple.
There was some nice coordination. The bin and still down to the basket.
I know, she hasn't spilled the basket yet.
I'm very impressed.
Look at you, you're tearing it up, girl.
Is there any more?
Plus.
That one was supposed to be in that bush there, it fell out. I see some more over here. Look, look, over here by the house. Oh, there's one. I see one.
See any more? See any more? Good strategy.
Put in the basket down.
Good strategy.
Yes.
Put it in the basket. Almost.
Oh.
Good girl. Any more eggs?
Yay! How about over there by that tree? There's one. Get it.
Watch your head.
See, she likes egg hunting when she has a fair chance.
Shake, shake, shake.
Put it in the basket. Good job. Look at all the eggs you have. Yeah.
Any more?
I think over here by the house. Come over by the house. Look. You see him over by the door? Come here. Come here. Look. See any over here? Oh, I see one. There's an orange one. Good job. Good job. Oh, you don't want that one? Oh, good job. There's a yellow one. Go put it in your basket.
Oh, here's a real egg.
Really?
Robin egg.
In a nest, or did it fall? Aw. Oh, look at you. You found one under the rock. Good job. Now you have a new place to put them. Okay. Say bye to Grandma and Pap. Say We're going to sign off. Say thank you. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Yeah, shake, shake, shake. Oh, yellow one. And a green one.